The Dreame Z1 Pro robotic pool cleaner redefines what effortless pool maintenance looks like. Engineered for precision and performance, this high-tech device combines powerful suction, adaptive intelligence, and user-friendly controls to deliver pristine pool cleanliness, all without lifting a finger. Whether you own a classic rectangle or an elaborate hybrid pool, the Z1 Pro is ready to clean every corner. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing. The Dreame Z1 Pro instantly sets the tone for what's to come, a premium experience. Inside the thoughtfully arranged box, you'll find Z1 Pro Robotic Pool, cleaner protected in custom-fit foam, Li-Fi remote control built for underwater use, magnetic charger for quick, intuitive charging, retrieval hook, making post-cleaning removal a breeze. User manual and quick start guide easy to follow and setup friendly. Setup takes just minutes. Plug in, drop it in the pool, and you're ready to go. Design and build. Modern, streamlined, and sturdy. The Z1 Pro showcases a minimalist aesthetic that hides serious engineering underneath. Its low-profile chassis moves smoothly underwater, while the matte finish body resists stains and wear from chlorine or saltwater exposure. Built to clean all types of pool surfaces from tile to vinyl, its construction features high durability materials designed for long-term use in even the harshest environments. Features and performance. At the heart of the Dreame Z1 Pro is a suite of smart features and raw cleaning power. Massive 8,000 gallons per hour suction power. Capable of removing everything from small debris to heavy leaves, this suction performance is among the strongest in its class. Pool Sense. Adaptive intelligence. With a combination of ultrasound, 3D structured light, and infrared, the Z1 Pro analyzes the pool's layout in real time, adapting its route accordingly. Waterline cleaning mastery. Unlike many other cleaners that ignore the upper waterline, this model actively scrubs that critical zone, reducing scale and residue effectively. S-shaped cleaning algorithm. It doesn't just wander. The Z1 Pro executes a structured S-path for maximum surface coverage, especially useful in asymmetrical pools. Li-Fi remote control technology. Instead of relying on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, the Z1 Pro uses light-based data transmission, enabling reliable underwater control in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Extended cordless runtime. Enjoy over 180 minutes of continuous cleaning, and when it's done, it returns poolside by itself. No more diving in to retrieve your robot. Cleaning performance. During real-world use, the Dreame Z1 Pro proves it's more than just talk. Whether tackling sediment on the pool floor, grime along the walls, or that tricky waterline buildup, the robot delivers powerful and consistent cleaning. The dual brush system agitates debris while twin pump motors handle extraction with ease. Even in pools with steps or slopes, the robot maneuvers smoothly thanks to advanced boundary detection and obstacle avoidance. Smart control and convenience. With the companion app, you can set cleaning schedules, monitor cleaning progress in real time, choose from multiple modes based on your pool's needs. The Li-Fi remote is a highlight. Its underwater functionality makes it easy to guide or summon the robot, a game changer when you're already in the pool. Maintenance is just as convenient. Pop out the filter, rinse it, recharge, and it's ready for the next cycle. The magnetic charger clicks into place smoothly, reducing frustration from traditional plug-in designs. Conclusion. The Dreame Z1 Pro. Robotic pool cleaner is more than a luxury. It's a reliable, efficient pool, maintenance partner that brings smart home convenience to your backyard. With its blend of high-powered cleaning, smart mapping, and thoughtful design touches, it feels less like a gadget and more like a dependable member of your household. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.